In lesson number 8 for beginners English, you will learn short and long sentences. The sentences are all connected with each other. So if you look at the first few sentences, it forms a paragraph. And then at the end of the lesson, the last group of sentences talks about the future. All the rest of the sentences talk about the present. Notice these. See how the sentences are arranged. See how each word is used in a sentence in order to improve your English and speak correct English. I am a lawyer. My work is to practice law. I practice law in the High Court. I also go to the lower courts on some days. I help my clients to get justice. My clients are grateful to me. See, with these 6 sentences, one unit is over. Listen to them and repeat them by putting the sound off. Just read them aloud and then speak about them. You will benefit immensely in fluency. A new set using you instead of I. You are a lawyer. Your work is to practice law. You practice law in the High Court. You also go to the lower courts on some days. You help your clients to get justice. Your clients are grateful to you. Now see how you and your is used. Look at the spelling of the word clients, pronunciation. Justice, grateful. These are big words. If you learn to use them by repeating these sentences, you'll be in a much better position to become fluent. The third set begins where we replace I and you with we. We are lawyers. We practice law in the High Court. We also go to the lower courts on some days. We help our clients to get justice. Our clients are grateful to us. The next set uses a proper noun Pradeep instead of pronoun, but that's only in the first sentence. The remaining sentences use the pronoun he for Pradeep. Practice. Pradeep is a lawyer. He practices law in the High Court. He also goes to the lower courts on some days. He helps his clients to get justice. His clients are grateful to him. In the next series, we have a common noun instead of a proper noun. We say my friends. practice. My friends are lawyers. The rest of the sentences use they instead of my friends, which is used only in the first sentence. They practice law in the High Court. They also go to the lower courts on some days. They help their clients to get justice. Their clients are grateful to them. You have learned three forms: they, them, and their, of the same pronoun: he, him, and his, I, me, and my. You, of course, has you, and your. All these forms you have learned. Till now we did the present form. Now we are talking about the future. Please practice. I want to be a lawyer. I would like to practice law. I want to practice law in the High Court. I would also like to go to the lower courts. I want to help people get justice. I would like everyone to get help from me. Vani wants to be a lawyer. She would like to practice law. She wants to practice law in the High Court. She would also like to go to the lower courts. She wants to help people get justice. Here is a very long sentence. Practice carefully. She would like everyone to take legal help from her. Legal means related to law. From the word law, we get the word legal. Now we have the subject, which is three words. A new set structure from the earlier ones. These young students. Look at the three words. These young students. Now you practice the sentence. These young students want to be lawyers. They would like to practice law. They want to practice law in the High Court. They would also like to go to the lower courts. They want to help people get justice. They would like everyone to get help from them. That is the last sentence for practice in this lesson. Pause for a minute and see what all you have learned. Have you learnt any new words, vocabulary? Then make a note of them. You have learnt sentence patterns, which are long and short. We started with short sentences, and then in the same set we had a combination of short and long sentences. Some of the sentences were very long. We also saw different time frames. One is the present, when a person is already a lawyer. The other is the future, when the person wants to become a lawyer or would like to become a lawyer. See each structure, repeat them so that you don't make mistakes, you become confident and speak good English.